Welcome to the third video of my woodworking video series. In this video, I'm going to talk about the joys and benefits of woodworking you can derive from. Besides Americans, this can be the case with other Westerners as well in sharing the joy and benefits of woodworking, especially if they are living in suburbs or out of town and city areas like farms and villages. Though there are Asians showing similar interests as well, they are not so prominent in terms of trade and businesses as Westerners at the time of writing this, though it may change over time gradually. Why is that so? Some of you may ask. Well, wood is like any other material. Other than serving as the base for trees to develop their roots and grow strong and healthy, it can be used to manufacture a wide variety of things that we often take for granted as humans. Introduction to woodworking. In the last 5 decades, the interest people now have, especially in personally developing and crafting their wood projects, be it canoes, furniture, hut, log seats or others, have grown tremendously for many reasons. But the most common ones are their low cost to begin with, but can be a potentially lucrative business and additional income as well. Especially after lockdown due to pandemic, which result in many jobs and businesses lost and got them wondering what else they can to make money and provide for themselves and families. While it is very easy to do this as a hobby, learning how to build and run a successful long-term business is really not. Because in order to do so, you first need quality woodworking plans. Now, again, exactly what do I mean by that? Based on what I learned from real professionals, having a complete and quality woodworking plan is absolutely vital. Not just in what you want to make and know what appeals to the market, you also need the right equipment, tools, and relevant materials to make the whole process as easy and smooth as possible. Other than those, you need quality images and easy to understand and follow diagrams to help you stay focused and being on the right track. Though there are several plans you can find on and offline, they may be time consuming. Whether you are starting out or have been in this for some time with little or no success, I highly recommend selecting a plan that is simple to execute and in small scale. That way, you can complete your project faster and re-evaluate on what you can do better later. Simple woodworking projects to begin with. The simpler they are, the easier and faster it is for you to begin with and finish on time. I give you 2 examples for your reference, though your preference may be other things. Bird feeders and garden benches. Yes, they may look very basic, but if you can complete making and selling them quickly, you will have more resources, time, and greater confidence to work upon harder projects. Such as office tables, chairs, and cupboards, or even books, huts, and wheel carts. Though the possibilities are endless, you need to be realistic and practical in what you can and cannot do at the start, before using your experience, knowledge, and profits to accomplish bigger projects. Quality woodworking tools and resources. However, having said that, here is one other important factor you need to take into consideration. While project skills can be compromised in what you should make and how fast you can finish and sell them, the same cannot be said for quality tools. Because they are essential in coming up with and making sure that what you produce are high quality, they appeal to your customers. For this case, you really need to invest money in your local store specializing in those or online, such as home improvement tools in Amazon. Like good quality yet affordable saw and overarm plate cover with dust collection for your saw and online learning programs to do with woodworking. Once you have the right tools, resources, and mindset, then you are on your way to reap the joy and benefits of woodworking. Not just in learning and developing your skills, but turning them into your business and income as well. Rick Benson has been a seasoned woodworker and in this field for the past 12 years. In fact, much of what I just shared with you is what I learned from him. So for more woodworking advice and information, please feel free to check out his site at For woodworking lovers. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that this information and tips will help you in your woodworking venture, whether you want to do this as a hobby, as a career, or as a business.